Hi everyone, it's Luke here and welcome back to another video. You're joining today once again here in Monaco. I absolutely love this place, and to have my car here is just pinch yourself moment, you know, it's incredible. You guys might have seen some previous videos where I drove the car around the F1 track and just couldn't stop smiling and all that. But today I'm going to embark on a little bit of a mission. Now, normally when I come to Monaco, I primarily or mainly do car spotting because this place is a haven for supercars. I mean, it's only like 2.5 kilometers squared, but the amount of cars here is just unbelievable. So I think I'm going to hop in the car and kind of take a few little tours around Monaco and see what I can find, really, because whenever I come to Monaco, no matter what time of year, weather or whatever, there's always cars around. And today the sun's kind of shining. We've had a little bit of rain this morning, but the sun's shining right now, which is good. So yeah, let's hop in the car and see what we can find. Then roaming the streets of Monaco. We've been here now for 3 or 4 days and it's still so surreal to be driving in Monaco on the F1 circuit. I mean, we just turned off it, but still so cool. Now today is, what is it today? Sunday, isn't it? Yeah. Sunday, okay, and the weather's not too bad, so fingers crossed we should at least see some stuff. Now, I am going to cast my mind back to the first evening where we arrived, where I can't remember what was going on. There was some sort of Ferrari event, wasn't there? It was the F8 launch in Monaco. That was it, the F8 launch, and it was ridiculous. We saw what the Black Legend TDF, the one with the red wheels.
That's one of the first cars that we saw in
literally
Monaco.
One of the first. Well, the first car we saw was a Senna.
Yeah.
And we saw something else as well. Could have sworn we did. But yeah, incredible. Now the first stop for today's video, if I can find it, is the Ferrari dealership in Monaco. I think it's down here. It's just weird because I always walk. There we go. I always walk around Monaco and it's like you can go as the crow flies, like down no like dead end roads or anything. But here it's a bit more difficult. Now you came here the other day and you said there was some pretty cool stuff.
Yeah, yesterday. So it's shut today because it's a Sunday.
Oh wow.
But up the top there's F40, F50 Enzo.
I have to zoom in here.
Pretty iconic.
That's
line.
so cool.
Just need a laugh.
Yeah, well there's probably one in there. Probably multiple.
Yeah.
What have we got in here? Oh, it's 430.
I think that dealership's changed
Another
around
cool
a bit.
dealership. 458, 599. Nice, tasty selection of cars just down some random back street. But anyway, annoyingly, it's just started raining, which is
it's a bit of an on-off weather day today.
typical. Yeah, it absolutely threw it down. I've kind of had to postpone filming this because it threw it down with rain this morning. But anyway, I think we should head more towards central Monaco, down through Casino Square, Emont and all that, and see if we can find some more tasty stuff. But as for that, to start the video, that's not too bad at all, albeit a little dealership spot. Still very cool. What's that? Oh, that's a nice colour. Is that Carrera T? I think so, yeah. German plates. Very cool. So around this corner here is the, what's it called? Is it the hotel?
Is it the
Hermitage or something?
Yeah.
Hermitage. One of the best hotels in Monaco. What have we got? We've got some stuff. We've got 4x4 squared. We've got, what is that? Is that an 812?
Yeah.
Was it an F12?
It's got
812,
yeah,
that's
812.
really nice.
And it's got a yellow like yellow.
And a Rosso Dino 488 Spider. Oh yeah, it's got yellow bits on it.
Yeah.
Cool. Hello. Look at this. Just coming up the Fairmont, we stumbled across a nice Aventador SV. Now this was the one that we saw earlier before we started filming, I think. Woo! Someone's got it in Corsa mode. Very, very cool. I think I actually prefer these to the SVJ.
Yeah, I'm with you on that one.
Yeah, I mean they're making more SVJs than they're making these, and these were common. There's what, 800 of these? No, 800 coupes. and then 800 Coupe SVJs. Very confusing, but either way, it looks so good. And actually, very good to see it out in the rain as well, because it's been a bit quiet.
It's no longer quiet with these.
Oh,
Wow.
that wasn't even a GT4. That sounded sick.
It's up until you're behind like a car like this where you like you realise just how wide it is. I think there's a 570 coming down as well.
What is that? Oh! I'm glad I said it was quiet, because now it's livening up a bit.
Yeah.
It is a 570S. Lovely. Some cool decals on that as well.
Yeah. Really actually suits the car, I think.
Mm.
Oh, look at that!
Wow! Whoa! What the flipping hell was that? That was so cool.
Yeah. That's why Monaco, I think, is just so good.
Yeah. Just stuff like that just isn't weird in Monaco.
Yeah, but like if you saw that in London, you'd be like, what the hell?
What a moron.
Get out the way. Because you're in Monaco, it's like, oh, you blend in well.
Things have taken a turn. I've just looked in my rear. Just looked in my rearview mirror and there's a Pista spider. This is so nice. It's like a dark red. What is it?
But
Like
it's
a
very flat.
Rosso.
There's not a lot of sparkle in it.
No, it's not. But it's got like a double black stripe. We've just literally driven through Casino Square, which is so cool. But this is the first custom. I presume this is a customer anyway. First customer Pista spider that I've ever seen. And it's
Very impressive.
So cool. Oh, it looks so good on the move.
And the
This is
sun as well.
very,
It's
very
mad
cool.
how matte that colour is. Like,
It is. It's
not matte, but it's flat.
It's probably triple layer, but just because we're not very close to it at the moment. But this is seriously cool.
It's a very Monaco car.
Very Monaco. Yes, I've got the roof down though. Didn't get that. Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Following a Pista spider around the Fairmont. You're taking millions of photos.
Wow, I just need to make sure that one's going to be good because I don't have time to like check.
Now I think it's parked up. Yeah, it has.
Yeah.
It's parked up at Ferrari, so I'm going to try and abandon my car somewhere so we can have a look at this a little bit closer. But how good does that look? Pista spider in Monaco. How nice is this then? I literally just followed this thing all around Monaco. A dark red. I don't know what colour it is exactly. Maybe a Rosso Coborn or something like that. Rosso Maranello. If anyone knows exactly, then please do tell me in the comments. We've got a double black stripe. I love this S-duct that you get on the Pista. You can literally see right down to the floor. Such an aerodynamically designed car. You've got that side entrance, which is kind of new to be reintroduced to the V8 Ferraris. Obviously, the 458 never had it, but the 488 obviously does, and so does the Pista. With this rear wing on the back. Not very obviously a rear wing, but definitely a rear wing. But that rear end, absolutely stunning. I'm loving these slightly redesigned wheels. Although I do prefer the standard Pista wheels or maybe the carbon wheels. But these do definitely, it makes it easier to distinguish whether it's a spider or not really. But how cool is this to see this sat here in Monaco, albeit not with the roof down. But yeah, Pista spider. Pista City here in Monaco at the moment, but this spec is, well, it's unbelievable. So the main body colour is British Racing Green, a very rare colour for Ferraris, but quite a classical one and definitely one which suits the Pista. We've got might be able to see it through the rear window actually, like a biscuit interior, but where things get interesting is the wheels. They are also British Racing Green. They're colour matched to the body, and then you've got the golden brake calipers and the carbon sensor caps. This is hands down the largest, most unique spec I've seen for a Pista. We've also got British Racing Green badges. I mean, how cool is that? The double black stripe just contrasts in so nicely. We've got regular carbon in the engine bay. What a spec. In fact, let me just whiz round to the front so I can show you it from the front, because it just looks mega A little look inside as well. Such a cool spec. Whoever just came up with this idea, it must have been a bit of a risk, I can tell you that, but it just works so well. Having seen the Pista Spider earlier and now this, things seem to be hottening up in here in Monaco, and it's not just the temperature, I can tell you that. And look at those stripes. Absolutely stunning. Let me know what you guys think of this down in the comments, but for me, it's a big win. So I think I'm going to round today's video up here really. The sun is going down slowly and I need to go and grab some dinner and well, edit this video really, because tomorrow I've got to get up and leave Monaco, which is going to be really sad because well, I love this place. You guys know, before I take, you guys know that I love this place and it's always sad to leave it, but we've seen some awesome cars, especially in today's video, very Pista related. Let me know what you think of that green one, especially with the green wheels. British Racing Green, stunning car in person. I'm not sure how it really pictured on camera, but wicked spec, wicked car as well. The Spider was cool to see on the road, arguably one of the first, that is for sure. We've seen some other cool stuff as well, and on our trip in general we've seen some cool stuff. So yeah, it's been cool to kind of bring you some more Monaco content because, you know, as I've said, I love this place and it's very easy to vlog it, you know, because it's all very scenic. But anyway, that is it for today's video. That is it for the Monaco content for now anyway. I'll be back later this year. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please do make sure you leave a like and make sure you subscribe for all the adventures still to come.